Alright, so here we are in Kamphaeng Phet, Thailand for the Rocket Festival. First thing we did was check out the food. The wife got some bananas, not for me. Then we checked out the music. Didn't seem to be happening very much, so we checked out some more food. And of course the wife had to buy some, get enough for everybody. We'll go see the family soon. And we took the motorbike out to see the rockets. It was a very hot day, so it's a good thing we had a little bit of a ride. And there's, you can see the Thailand countryside, very beautiful. And to the left you can see the lemon orchards. They're actually limes, but Thais seem to call them lemons. Alright, and then we drove out to where the rockets were. You can see the rice fields, very beautiful. And we're going to check out and see where they store them and get ready to launch. Very big rockets. We didn't see all the rockets launch. It goes for over 2 days. We stayed a few hours. Like I said, it was just really incredibly hot. So they're going to launch these to the gods and wake them up so they get lots of rain for their fields. And next, I got back on the motorbike and we headed to where the family was sitting in the shade. Like I said, it was incredibly hot that day, at least for me. The foreigners, we seem to suffer the most. I was one of 2 foreigners that day. In Kamphaeng Phet, there's not a lot of foreigners. You kind of find yourself as a celebrity. You become part of the festivities, like, oh, a foreigner, can I take my picture with you? That sort of thing. And then we walked out and watched the rockets. Great time. We saw plenty of rockets. They're launching every 10 to 20 minutes. Big ones like this one. So incredible to watch. Everybody should do it one time in their life. And then smaller ones like this one. Still something fun to see. All in all, it was a great day. A little hot, but certainly was fun.